going on YouTube? I'm the Ultimate Hacker, here for another video. What I'm about to show you is Cameron. He's a virtual assistant made entirely in TheNE. Cameron is not Siri or Microsoft's Cortana, so Cameron will in no way be as advanced as them. However, I will keep updating him with new features. He'll also seamlessly interact with my other apps such as OrcWeb and SimulationOS. His project to test Phoebe's speech synthesizer API.
Hello, LAPPY-IN-THE-NE /TPT2. My name is Cameron. I was created by the Ultimate Hacker. I can do many things for you, such as search the web, open web pages, run applications, and just have a general conversation. I'm currently not that advanced, but as my creator updates me, and we get to know each other, I'll gain more and more abilities.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm the Ultimate Hacker, here for another video, and as you see, Cameron basically did our intro. Well, sort of. Well, first of all, let's explain Cameron. Cameron, as you can probably tell, is a free virtual assistant made by me entirely in Visual Basic. And I'll just warn you, he is in no way going to be as advanced as Siri or Cortana by Microsoft. However, he is gonna help people who won't be able, who either don't have an Android, iOS, or a Windows 7 or 8 or 7 device, and they don't have the money to pay for Windows 10 to get Cortana, and they don't want a Windows phone. This basically helps them out, because Cameron, he runs on Windows, as you can see, and he can do sort of the same stuff as Cortana, except not now. He can search the web, he can open web pages, and he can open SimulationOS, and that's about it. But yeah, let's get into him. So if you want to view the commands he can do, just type help or watch this video. And there's no general conversation features yet, so he won't be able to talk to you as a real human properly.
I couldn't understand what you wanted me to do, but here are some commands you can tell me. Set your name. My name is name in single quotes. Search the web. Search term. Open a new OrcWeb document. Requires OrcWeb to be installed. Open OrcWeb. Go to a website. Go to website URL, for example www.google.com. Start SimulationOS. Requires SimulationOS to be installed. I want to play SimulationOS.
Well, yeah, basically if you type in an invalid command or something like that, this screen will come up and he'll basically tell you the different commands and their arguments. So basically there's two commands that don't work. There's open a new OrcWeb document that hasn't been programmed in and requires OrcWeb to be installed, which it isn't. And then there's set your name, which hasn't been programmed in yet. He only recognizes you by, well, in my case, TPT2. That's my network path for my username. But really it's the ThePCTransformer, which I want it to be the Ultimate Hacker, but I'm not going to go through that again. I'll lose access to some stuff. But yeah, let's search the web. What do you say we search for... Can't type there. Say we search for my YouTube on Google, which he will always search for Google. So
okay,
yeah.
I'll search Google for the Ultimate Hacker YouTube.
But yeah, I'll search for that, and it'll open up my Google Chrome and open a new tab, and yeah. And he opens it in your default browser, so say you have Firefox or you're using Internet Explorer, he'll open it up. But yeah, unfortunately, nothing that we wanted came up, so we'll ignore that. So, next command is, of course, I want to play then the game, in this case SimulationOS is the only command, and he'll check if you have an installation of SimulationOS. So right now we do, so we'll type in I want to play SimulationOS, and there's two tips for you right here. One, it is not case sensitive, so if you type SimulationOS non-capitalized the way I typed it, it will still work. However, the syntax has to be the same. And also another tip is any application that I release will be integrated with Cameron, and he'll be updated. So if I were to release OrcWeb, Cameron will have a new update, and he'll be able to interact with OrcWeb. And yeah, and when Cameron's updated, maybe OrcWeb might be updated to be able to interact with Cameron. Who knows? But yeah, if I click say, he will attempt to launch SimulationOS for us. So why don't you do that, Cameron?
Okay, I'll open SimulationOS for you.
But yeah, he doesn't actually accept voice, unfortunately. You'll hear him, but he won't hear you, if you know what I mean. So yeah, he opened SimulationOS for you. So yeah, next command is the go-to command, which opens the website corresponding to your URL, and you'll see that it is in fact case insensitive. So we'll go to youtube.com. Actually, I'm sure we need a www there, otherwise it'll crash. Of course, I lost my cursor, so I need. Helps if I actually look. I am not able to type today. So, say.
I couldn't understand what you wanted me to do, but here are some commands you can tell me. Set your name. My name is name in single quotes. Search the web. Search term. Open a new OrcWeb document. Requires OrcWeb to be installed. Open OrcWeb. Go to a website. Go to website URL. For example, www.google.com. Start SimulationOS. Requires SimulationOS to be installed. I want to play SimulationOS.
As you can see, if you get a command incorrect, he'll get angry at you. He won't get angry at you, he'll give you the help screen. So, I was missing a quote in there, so it broke.
Okay, I'll open up the website www.youtube.com. Just give me a moment.
And you'll see that our cursor starts giving us the busy signal, saying, well, he did say just give us a moment, so we give him a moment, and here's our Google Chrome opening up YouTube. Like he said, just give him a moment. So yeah, there's a bunch of videos I could watch, and it just works. Now, of course, there will be an integrated web browser, hopefully, but for now it's just opening up Google Chrome and doing web commands with it. But yeah, let's go tell him that we don't have SimulationOS installed, and we'll see what he says. So we'll just rename our SimulationOS. Not ShedOS, SimulationOS. We'll name it to just Simulation. Why not? So yeah, we tell them that we want to play SimulationOS, so we want to play SimulationOS. And say,
I couldn't find a valid SimulationOS installation. Sorry about
And
that.
as you can see, he couldn't find the correct folder. So, correct folder is actually /SimulationOS. So you won't be able to find that. Say, well, basically the reason he won't defaultly in there, defaultly isn't the word. Basically, he by default he looks in there, and you can't really change it because, well, Cameron isn't made for school and work computers. He's only made for home computers because, well, let's just say you're in the middle of the classroom, you don't feel like internet or opening up your internet browser to search for your history. You could tell Cameron to search for it, and he could search it for you. And plus, he does talk, of course, so it'd probably disrupt the class. Although it would be cool. And of course, the way Cameron's gonna be built, he won't be able to be installed at the schools anyway. So unfortunately, that's not gonna happen. So yeah. And also, when you close him, now there will be a command called goodbye, but that's not in yet. But if you close him using the red X, or whatever your theme's X button looks like, or you click on his icon and hit close, he'll say, well, take a listen.
Goodbye. It was nice talking to you.
And I don't know about you, but I kind of feel sad closing it, because he kind of says it in a sad way. But hey, it's a computer. Don't worry about him. He's alright. So yeah, quick look at something I'm making, Cameron, and he'll be able to do a lot more. There will be an integrated web browser. There will be and his source code won't be named Crunch Robbie, because I was gonna call him Robbie, but unfortunately, well, that's secret. That's why I didn't call him Robbie. Anyways, quick look at Cameron, what he can do. So far, he'll be able to do way more, such as opening up Ultra Shift when that gets released, opening up custom applications, custom commands, you name it. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, if you have an idea for a command that Cameron could interpret, just let me know in the comments. I'll see if I can get that programmed in. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I gotta go edit this, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.